Okay friends, so today we discuss a very important topic, rather we start it. Okay. So many of you have said me that you guys have problems with trigonometry, basically with the problems those are associated with proofs, show that this is equal to this, LHS is equal to RHS. So I understand this problem is very common, and before exam this is a very important phenomena with all the years. So don't consider yourself lonely, this has happened earlier. So to alleviate this problem, we are going to start a series on trigonometry, and I sincerely hope if you guys can follow the chronology that I am doing, then you will not only be able to do the problems by yourself, but you will also be able to decipher that how to prove a certain given theorem, certain given derivation, whatever it is, this how to prove thing is very important. Most cases people know to solve the problem, this problem I can do by doing this, but why I am going through that path is much more important. So in this series we are going to talk about those things. So we are starting with the basic formulas required for class 10th trigonometry for both Icse and Cbse board. Okay? So let us go ahead. So do not worry. See, first thing is how many trigonometrical ratios you need to know. Trigonometrical ratios will be for right angle triangle, this is theta. This one we will call height, height is the side opposite to the angle theta, and this one we will call base, and this is hypotenuse, hypo. So sin theta means height by hypotenuse. Sin theta means height by hypotenuse. What is cos theta? Most of you know all these things. I am just giving you a simple revision over here. Hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to height by base. Other than these three, you need not remember the ratios for the other trigonometrical ratios. That is, suppose somebody says you what is cosec theta, don't need to remember that it is hypo by height. You already know what is sin theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta, and sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, and cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Okay? So this is a very simple thing. This much you guys already know. Now after this, what you require? There is a concept called complementary angles. Complementary angles. Many a times we tend to forget which trigonometrical ratio is complementary to which trigonometric ratio. There is no confusion after this one. After this next few seconds there will be no confusion. How it is? See, sin theta, what is complementary of sin theta? Complementary of sin theta is cosine theta, that is cos theta. Okay, so sin theta is cos 90 minus theta. Okay, so if there is suppose sin 30 degree, anybody remember the value of sin 30 degree? Half is always equal to cos, here theta is 30 degree, so this will be 90 minus 30, that is cos 60 degree. Okay, pretty easy. So what did you learn? Complementary of sin theta, complementary of sin theta is cos theta, simple. Okay, and the reverse is also true, that is cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. Then if I ask you what will be the complementary angle of tan theta? What will be the complementary ratio? Complementary of tan theta is cotan theta, that is cot theta. That is cot, here it will be 90 minus theta. Okay, and vice versa, that is cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. This is also true. Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Anything else? Yes. What is the complementary angle of sec theta? Complementary of sec theta is cosec theta. So everything was there in the name. So Shakespeare was wrong actually, Shakespeare is wrong. What is there in the name? Everything is there in the name itself. Shakespeare was cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. Clear? So complementary angle, no more confusion after this. No further confusion about complementary angles after this. Next is identities. Okay. So I hope each and every one of you have already remembered all these things. Everything is in your head already there. Correct? Let us go for identities now. Okay. Identities also after few seconds will be within our hands. How? Let us see. See, identities, there are three identities that we use. One is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This one is pretty easy. Each and every one of you remembered this one, I know. You can easily prove this, but as this is an exam oriented series, I am not going for proof for this one. All I want you to add to this one is do understand or remember this thing also, that this can be used in this way also, 1 minus cos square theta. Many a time students know this, but they are unable to apply this. You guys know this, but you are unable to apply this. Then the thing is not done. Only thing is this. Many a times you have seen that this formula is used. I know this formula, but I was not being able to apply this formula. How is it so? Let me show you. This is also 1 square minus cos square theta. Yes or no? So this falls in the formula a square minus b square, and hence I can also write here a minus b, a plus b. Each and every one of you already know about this. This is nothing secret, but application is the main issue. So see, I am going into the applications of the identities. Everything will be clear. Okay. And here what was it? Sin square theta. Right. So do you need to remember this? No, don't remember this. Just get into your head that these things can also be done. In some problems this thing can be used. How is it so? Let's see. See, this is sin square theta. So here I can write sin square theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta. Maybe someday, somewhere, in some examination, this may come as a proof, and you may get confused. Nothing to get confused. Sin square theta you have to write 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta will write 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta, and this 1 plus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta will cancel out, and you will be remaining with 1 minus cos theta, which is equal to RHS, and thing is proved. But suppose I give you a proof, that is prove 1 minus cos theta, the opposite, 1 minus cos theta is equal to sin square theta by 1 plus cos theta. you cannot go from RHS, you will go for LHS only. Okay, so how will you go from LHS? See, in any proof, follow a very simple trick, but not a trick, that's the way. What kind of way? जो तुमको चाहिए उसको जोर जबरदस्ती लेके आओ, जो तुमको चाहिए वो छीन के लाओ, जो तुमको नहीं चाहिए उसको लात मार के भगाओ। ठीक है, कैसे? देखो, लेट्स सी, whatever you need you bring it towards you, whatever you don't need just kick that out. See, LHS 1 minus cos theta. What do I need? I need this denominator. Okay, I'll take this denominator 1 plus cos theta. I got my denominator, but can I take 1 plus cos theta from nowhere? No. If I have to put 1 plus cos theta in denominator, I have to put 1 plus cos theta in numerator also. Okay, in numerator also. Okay, done. What is this? A minus b, a plus b, this will be 1 minus cos square theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is how you decipher, this is how you go for the proofs. By from this simple identity I have come to a problem now. Okay, I know you guys are getting inquisitive, what is happening? You have to go on with me and everything will get solved like this. Let's go. So, this is nothing but sin square theta, my dear friends, and this is 1 plus cos theta. So simple, proved. The concept was over here, guys. All I used is this concept. Simple concept I have used. My first identity, I showed you a variation, how to use the identity, and now I am sure that you guys have been able to get something out of it. So this class is useful, I guess. If it is not useful, let me know. If it is useful, then also let me know. If it helps you, then let me know. If it doesn't help you, then also let me know. Because it helps us. Okay? Whether it helps people or not, it helps us. Thank you, guys. So, we are not ending though, it is just a simple thank you. Intermediate. Next identity, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Everybody knows this, right? And along with this, another identity can be written simultaneously. That is, what is the complementary of tan square theta? 1 cotangent, cot square theta is equal to complementary of sec square theta, cosec square theta. So, these are not different identities, these are basically same identities written in complementary form, right? Okay. So, now what I will do with this one? I will just first show you one thing. You can also write this like this, you can try it out, sec square theta minus tan square theta, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And in many a times this part is given in the problem. You need this part rather than the other part. You need this part for solving the problem. This part, sometimes this is also required, but many a times I have seen in many problems during my times when I was giving examination just like you guys, in my 9th and 10th, I have seen that this part is much more useful than the other part. This gets used in many problems. Acha, anything else that I can do from this one? Yes, there is another thing. See this one. Sec square theta minus tan square theta, don't forget my dear friends, it is a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. So, this can also be written as sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta. What I am doing? Why I am doing this? See, I will show you why I am doing this. See, sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. Come on, why I am doing this? See, 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. Can I write this? Easy LCM, cos theta 1 minus sin theta is equal to 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. It can be given in proof. Very nice proof problem, right? So I will give you proof that this is equal to this. So what I will do? I will give you proof this is equal to this, or I can give you proof this is equal to this. So if I give you proof this is equal to this, what you need to do? Kick out everything that you don't need and bring everything that you need. You don't need sine and cos, right? You don't need sine and cos, you need sec and tan on the right hand side. What I will do? I am going to break this open like this. I am going to get this, and from here I can easily get sec minus tan theta, right? I can easily get sec minus tan theta. As soon as I get here sec minus tan theta, sec theta minus tan theta, what can I do? I have already got this. What can I do? I need this. I need this in the denominator. I will bring my denominator. Whatever I need, I have to bring it. Why? Whatever I need, I have to bring it. Whatever I don't need, I have to discard it. ऊपर में नीचे में दोनों तरफ करना है मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सेक थीटा प्लस टेन थीटा मिल गया मुझे नीचे वाला. ऊपर वाला क्या है? ए माइनस बी ए प्लस बी. द टॉप वन इज ए माइनस बी ए प्लस बी, दैट इज ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, दैट इज सेक स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस टेन स्क्वायर थीटा, दैट इज दिस वन, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 1. Correct? Step by step, each and everything you need to do like this way. I am giving you a homework for today's class. What is our homework? Do the same exercise for this, and with this our first class on trigonometry revision series, or rather than I will say deciphering series of how to prove different theorems in trigonometry starts and ends. With that, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the class. Let me know if you have got something out of this class, and if it has not helped, then also let me know. Okay, with that, thank you. Good night, guys.